So why a Prius, and very specifically why a Prius V? What are the different models of Prius and everything? I still wonder if it should be Prius or Priuses or Prii. Anyway, lots of different choices there. There are some variations over time, different years and things, different models. Melanie's going to share in this video why she chose a model Prius V when she decided to buy her Prius.
So we got a question recently from a viewer of ours named Cindy, and asking why I chose the Prius V over the other Prius models. I don't know a whole lot about all the other different models, but I know when I was looking at this one, I was also looking at a Prius C. And the C1 has a much more sloped roof in the back, where this one, the V, actually goes straight. So it's more like a station wagon. Oh, well, they call it a station wagon. It's not like your typical station wagon like you'd see in like National Lampoons or something like that. So it's not, to me, it's much more compact than that, but it does allow for a little more headroom in the back, and also with the framing, of course, it allows a little more storage because I have a little more vertical space. So that's pretty much why I chose the Prius V.
All right, well, thank you, Melanie, for sharing that information. I am sure some of our viewers are going to find that helpful. If you guys found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already. And don't forget to leave a comment and give a shout out to Melanie for taking the time to share this information with us today about why she chose her Prius Model V as her car for a daily driver and for car camping and for really living in full time for a while. So thanks, Melanie. The rest of you, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.